Oh boy. It's like Christmas every time the FedEx guy shows up.
Watch him drive right by.
I'd be so upset. He's legit delivering the tires to the neighbor's house. Why?
He probably saw us creeping in the window.
What are you doing? Alright, so I ordered my, pretty sure that's over here.
Well, and it's funny, I had the other one for them, or I thought that was you guys, this was theirs. I'm like, what the heck? I scanned, like, oh crap, it's this. I saw you in the window.
Awesome, thanks man.
Welcome.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Take care.
Yeah.
What is that, Cons?
Tires. Hey, those are meaty. Meats. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, getting these tires on the wheels was a ginormous pain without a stand. Like, I've done plenty of dirt bike tires, and this was by far the most frustrating thing. So props to the wifey for putting up with that, because that really, really sucked. But they're on, they're holding there, and man, they look really good. I'm super excited we got these. Dang, that looks so good. Feels really good to have this thing sitting on tires again. What do you think?
I'm cold.
All right, so now that we got tires on this thing, last thing that we need to do is get the graphics kit on. We're still waiting on that. As soon as that comes in, we're gonna get those put on inside where it's warm. Then we can get these plastics on and see the final product. So yeah, as soon as those come in, we will pick it up there. Well boys, there it is. It is all done. Got the graphics all on there. Unfortunately, I lost all the footage of, all the time-lapse footage of putting the graphics on, which is a shame because That was a real pain. They do not make graphics kits for this machine. So I found a company, AMR Graphics, that happens to make one for a three-wheeler, the 225 DX I think it was, which wasn't even close to fitting on this, but did a lot of trimming and cutting and making this work on here, and honestly turned out pretty good. We did do some custom stuff here with some just black vinyl just to fill in some space that didn't otherwise get covered, and instead of repainting this plastic because that stuff just chips right off, we went ahead and did that in vinyl as well, and came out really sick. So with that being said, it's obviously still winter, but we got some frozen lakes and we got a good amount of ice, so we're gonna go rip this thing out on the ice, so let's do it. All right, boys, Christmas is over. We got all the lights off the pit bike. Done with that. Plus the cat's an idiot and decided he wanted to eat light bulbs, so that means it's time to get the studded tires on. So we're gonna get the wheels off this thing and get the old cold cutter studded up tires on, and then we're gonna go play on the ice. All right, boys, we gotta get some stuff ready here. We're gonna top off all the tanks, make sure everything's fueled up, and start loading this freaking truck up so we can get out on the lake. Oh boy, I wonder what this fool has to say today.
You boys want to do some ripping? Because I do.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrified.
Dude,
to get anywhere near you.
These studs are absolutely ridiculous, man.
I just want to like shake your hand.
Oh.
Because that thing is an absolute unit, bro. I'm just walking around and I'm just like, damn, dude.
It's brand new.
It is brand new and like next to showroom perfect.
Whoa. Oh. Oh yeah. Man, this thing needs studs. This thing's a f***ing unit, dude. It's hard to control though. Grip for days. Alright, I gotta go put some gloves on and rip the bike around a little bit. Oh, she's boggy. She's too cold. Wheelie the whole track. Maybe. Oh yeah. Oh, that's snow. Oh God. Oh. I didn't know which way we were going.
This would be the gate.
Yeah. Oh, we're kicking snow. She gonna get slick. Oh! Ah! Dude, this is a riot. Holy hell. I got so much arm pump already. Oh God! I would not want to get hit by those daggers. Oh! Oh! Sorry, my bike died. I think I'm out of fuel. That don't sound good.
You out of gas? I didn't top it off.
I might be.
Okay.
I hope that's the problem. We got.
Got you something.
Hey, I need that. Thanks, buddy.
You bet.
Oh no, she's not out of gas.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Cruising. Yee. Woo. Just ripping. Oh yeah.
It's full send mode.
It'd be really funny when he wipes out.
Oh, that's
I know.
gonna be cold.
That's
gonna be really
gonna suck. A ratchet strap hold my tire on.
Oh, Jesus. Full lapping. Oh.
What's up, ladies?
Hey, there's He's getting the Willards down. He's getting the Willards down now. Yee! Getting spicy. Oh, dude, it's tube's coming out. The tube's coming out. Ah, I just got hit with something. Yeah, I know. She's done. That tube is coming out, dude. Tragedy. The whole time I'm behind you, I just see this thing.
Down, I was down. Oh, we're both back here laughing. We're just fucking
Oh, she died. Ow! I may have my foot up. Oh yeah, something landed on my foot. Oh God. Oh yeah, she hurts. I don't think it's broken. I don't think. I hope not. Well, boys, I done messed up. Oh yeah, she's probably broken. That's not looking great. Don't mind my ugly feet. So I definitely learned a valuable lesson this week, and that's always wear all your gear. A little disappointed in myself. Should have been wearing boots, but you know, you live and you learn. It is what it is. Can't do anything about it now. So needless to say, I'll probably be down for the count for a few weeks. So at any rate, might be a little slow for a few weeks, but as soon as we're healed up, definitely gonna get back on it. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Definitely still gonna be putting out content in the near future. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but until next time,